Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So I'm here with an amazing, interesting question today, and the question is, which is, people may be searching a lot on Google as well on how to get top position on Google Ads. Every brand is trying to struggling to get the top slot on Google Ads and especially Google search engine. So I will be revealing on how you can get the top position on Google search engine via Google Ads. So let's get started on this. So guys, you have to stay with me in this because I will be doing a step by step on this, and it can be a long video, but it will be very interesting video. So guys, let's start it. First thing you need to have is to have an amazing, attractive, high CTR based ad. Okay, so if you ask me on CTR means click through rate, and CTR is calculated on when 100 people sees your ad and how many people click on your ad. That is how your CTR is decided. Let's say 100 people see your ad, 5 click on it, your CTR will be 5%. Okay, so if you have a higher CTR, you will also have a good ad rank and a lot better quality score, which will also help you in reducing your cost. So now the first thing is need to have a high CTR based attractive ad. Now to get an attractive ad, what you have to do is to work on your ad. There is a tool which is with the Corolla, which can help you in ad preview of your Google ads. So for instance, if I show you, this is an ordinary ad you may be seeing on Google if you search something. And now to get a top slot, you need to make it more attractive, and to make it more attractive, you need to add ad extensions in your ad. There are multiple ad extensions which you can add. For instance, you can add side link extensions, call out extensions, call extension, location extension, advertiser rating, structured snippet extension, price extension. These extensions will make your ad more attractive. People will get more your ad will get more attention. People are much more likely to click on your ad. So I will be adding some extensions to this ad to make it more attractive and appealing. Right now you may seeing that but not noticing your ad, because to get an eye catchy we need to add. For instance, if I add the advertiser rating, you can see the advertiser rating is now being added, and the ad is getting more slightly catchy because the ratings gets an eye attraction. There is another as well, location extension. Location extension adds trust. People are much more likely to click on an ad which has a physical address that also shows authority that you guys are real, not scam. There is another as well, side link extensions. You can see over here, this is a side link extension. You can also add side link descriptions where each side link will have a description as well, but this will make an ad huge big. So I do not recommend to add it. You can see over here that this is going to be an ad adding a side link. Not everything is always a good idea, so I will not be adding it, but you can add in some scenarios. Now I will add the call out or a call extension. So if I add the phone number, you can see the phone number will be a clickable, and there is another option as well, which is add call out, where I can have different scenarios for each call out extensions. So either scenario, if I remove this or this, having a phone call showing it also adds attractive, uh, uh, you know, uh, ad makes an ad attractive as well. You can also add structured snippets and also add other things, but instead of structured snippet, to make it more appealing, I will be adding a price extension. So you can see over here that ad is getting more price deals over here. Limited time deals, you can write something like this, limited deals. So you can see that this ad is much more attractive than the ad which was shown in original. I'm going to show it again so you guys can do a comparison. If I remove this, location, so also the phone number, so you can see that this was an original ad. Both are good ads, but the ads with the most extensions grabs the eye. So to get the top position, you need to have an exclusive, extensive, very good ad which attracts your human mind. So first thing is to have an amazing ad. Number second thing is to work on your Google Ads account structure. If I can better call it, we can call it as a campaign structure. Okay, higher your campaign structure is organized, you need to know that when someone searches on Google, they always search with something in their mind. You need to understand the intent behind every keyword, and every keyword has a different mindset. Even if someone is searching buy iPhone and cheap iPhone, both want to buy iPhone, but both have a different mindset. The guy who is searching buy iPhone want to buy iPhone, but the guy who is searching cheap iPhone want to buy iPhone but on a discount or a deal. So you need to understand the psyche changes with every keyword. So we need to figure out keywords based on the same psyche and create an ad for them. And do not mix all the psyches in one ad group. If you mix all psyches in one ad group, then your ad won't be much attractive to everyone. It may be attractive to some. It may be figuring out the intent, but not everyone. So figure out the intent, create an optimized campaign. The better the campaign is, the chances of getting your campaign score is much more likely, and this will also help you in generating more sales and conversions apart from ranking on the top position on Google Ads. So you can see over here, this is a similar account structure by word stream, where a campaign has multiple ad groups and each ad group has multiple keywords with multiple ads. You can also do landing page A and B test. And there are scenarios where an optimized landing page with different colors have performed differently with changing just colors. You also need to figure out what are your peak timings and peak days when your campaign is top performing. So once you figure out this, if you work on your campaign structure and if you work on your attractive ad, you may be quite easy with ad rank and quality score. Okay, ad rank is a quality score based formula which Google use to rank where ads for on their algorithm system. And the higher the ad rank and higher the quality score, lower the amount of CPC you may have to pay to get the top position. So one of the main factor in getting higher ad rank is to have a high CTR based ad, great account structure, and amazing highly converting landing page. you know the landing page which fulfills the intent which people have in their mind when they clicked on your ad. So a customized landing page with a customized ad, with a customized keyword and customized campaign is a perfect formula to get top position on Google Ads. But I'm also going to tell you a secret method over here as well to rank on top. So you guys have to stay with me because the secret sauce is over here yet to come. The secret sauce on how you can rank on number one is to work on your bidding strategy on your Google Ads account as well. And that if you work on that bidding strategy on your Google Ads account, this will make sure that your ad will only be shown on the top position of Google, otherwise it won't be shown. So the formula, the main game, the secret sauce is I'm about to tell. What you have to do is to open your Google Ads account, then go to account settings. Once you land on the settings, scroll below, you can see over here that this strategy is, look at the bidding strategy, where this is a maximize conversion value is for a campaign. Simply select that change bid strategy, shift from conversion value to impression share. Once you shift to impression share, you will be shown where do you want your ads to appear. You can select over here absolute top of results page or top of results page. Let's say I'm acceptable with the first or second ad position, then I'm going to be selecting top of results page. But if in case I just want the top ad position, the cream position, the main position, like someone searching for my query and I just want to be shown on the top first position, then I'm going to select the absolute top of result page over here. And I can see I want to get 100% impression share or 80% for those queries or those search term which is happening on the word, and that is the maximum amount of bid I am ready to pay. And I'm just going to make it save and throw it. My ad will only be shown on absolute top of result of Google page, and that is a perfect strategy you may have to use. So combined with optimized campaign, ad, account structure, high quality ad rank, plus bidding impression share, making it to this one. Also, this may cost you slightly more expensive. Keep in mind that you may have to pay a certain amount more because you just want to get the top ad position and the competitors may be trying to outrank you. So too you have to maintain it with a higher CTR, higher landing page quality, high ad with a lot of extensions which I have shown you, and a high CPC bit limit to get the top position. And this is a perfect formula through which you can get the top position. So guys, I hope this answers your question on how to get that top position on Google Ads. So in case guys, if you are looking for a professional help in getting a professional campaign setup of Google Ads, or a Google Ads audit, setup, optimization, or monthly management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign which is going to outrank everyone, and you may get a lot of views, impressions, and sales. So in case if you need our service, let's get started by clicking on one of the link in the description. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.